Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection is always going to have a nostalgic feel when tearing into these packs. As a Blizzard Entertainment competitive gamer who's made their rounds through all of the games throughout all of the years, this is an excellent set of cards to open. I'm hoping I can pull a hit card out of it because they're just nice to have as a Blizzard collector overall. Let's see what we got. I haven't been that lucky so far with these, so we're due. Bastion's first one I've pulled of that. Lost Vikings. We have a Torborn. Anduin Rin. Zealot. You get one of these per pack. Dovatera. Banshee, it's a StarCraft pack, I see. And Alaria Windrunner. We'll try again with more of these.